Oh, man. Hey, Predator. I'm pissed. Very mad. Very, very mad. Probably need to walk away, to be honest. I am fuming over here. Fuming. So I entered a trade right when my system crashed. Right when my system crashed, I entered a trade. I don't know if you guys saw it, but my entire system crashed. Couldn't get the computer back up. I had to open my laptop and log in on my laptop to close the positions. Yeah, everything crashed. No, I didn't lose anything, but we took a big hit. So I just entered a short here. You can see on my screen. Anywhere in here do you see a long? Like, this is how my day is going. So explain to me how I get entered into a long position on this account. It doesn't even show where I covered it. It entered me, when it hit my second take profit, it entered this one into a long. I saw it quick enough. You see how red this candle is. I saw it quick enough to minimize the damage to $275. It did that on 2 accounts. It entered me into a flipping long after I took a short. So we got 3 of those 6 accounts are in the green, and then the other, well, 4 of the 6, 2 of them are down 275. I'm furious. Not about that. That's a copier issue. Look at this. Down 425. I mean, I was doing so well on these accounts too, and I just need to walk away because I am furious. I'm fuming over here. We hit the daily loss limit on the Topstep. And here's the thing, and this is the furious part. It hit my target. I mean, look at this. Daily loss limit on those 3. This one, we're down 460. And then the brand new Take Profit Trader Pro account, we are down 430. So I'm just furious right now because I took these trades. I mean, my target was 06. It literally hit the target, but by the time, I don't even know how this one got out. I have no idea. So somehow it entered me twice. And they're both losses. And you can see where we ended up at. So I should be green, $300-400 on each account, and I'm red. And we took the daily loss limit on the Topstep accounts. I guess that's the positive to the daily loss limit. At least you can't lose more than the daily loss limit. So yeah, I'm furious. I came back and I took this trade. As soon as I came back on, I saw this. I knew we were going to go to the 4-hour gap back over here. We didn't quite get it. So I thought that we were going to go there still. So I was like, all right, let me get something on my APEX accounts right quick. And I mean, I just took 7 points with 2. This was with 2 minis. And then somehow I get entered into a long because the copier glitched. It's just not my day. It's just not my day, man. I mean, how do I get entered into a long there? I don't get it. How do we get entered into a long? That's just so crazy. I'm glad I didn't do it on this account because this is the one I'm trying to work back. to pay out. But so that puts us behind. Like the 250Ks, I'm not like this. This doesn't bother me too much. That's going to happen occasionally, right? It's just kind of like a stab on top of it, you know. So like that doesn't bother me too much. But man, these express funded accounts, like, you know, I was up $800, maybe $800 to $1,000 away from taking a payout, you know, and now we're red. Those hurt. Those hurt a lot. This one we were over the threshold, you know, 52.1. Now we're at 51.8. So I feel like, oh yeah, the take profit trader, I had a new eval. Where's that at? 925. Forgot to check that one. Good thing that didn't hit the 1100, I guess. All right. No, regular. I have no idea. Everything just froze. I think it was my computer. But I don't know. I think it was my computer, though. But, man, that's... And then, you know, cherry on top is it hit the target that I was going for. I was literally going for 10 points from 07 to 06. I'm sorry, 10 points, 07 to 07 here. You know, entries at 1675. I'm looking for 0675. The low is 0650 on that first push down. I don't know what happened. I have no idea. Just furious here. Furioso. You have Rhythmic on your phone? No, I don't. I probably should do that. Was it Quantower? I don't know. Quantower seemed fine. I mean, like, my entire system crashed, the stream and everything, so I don't know. What up, Bobber? Yeah, maybe I do need to get that on my phone. Is that an app that you can download, Joaquin? Yeah, that would have been like, if I could have logged into, yeah, that's a good point. I should probably thought about that. The only problem is, even with our trader though, well, I guess if it's the Rhythmic app, I don't know. Yeah, I'm furious right now though, guys. I am mad. And I know if I keep pushing the button, I'm probably going to do something stupid and blow some accounts, and so I don't want to do that. I'm absolutely furious. Yeah, I had to like fire my laptop up right quick. You know, here it is. I had to fire that up right quick and pull Quantower up. And of course, I'm in the red, $300 and $400 on each one. And I'm like, man, I still think it's going to go down, but could I sit there and hold it? Like, I just had to close it. Like, you can't just sit there and hold it, right? Even if you think it's going to go lower, you just can't. So, anyways, oh well. Yeah, Schnell, that's probably a good idea. That might be something I do from now on. Just have something open. I mean, like, is it the end of the world? Man, it sucks to be down $1,000 on the express funded accounts, because now I'm going to fight to get those back to green. Those really are the ones that hurt the most. The other ones, I mean, $300-$400, it's not the end of the world. That's a couple trading days. If we just stop, if we stop now, that's a couple trading days, a trading day and a half, maybe. So, and then the Topstep account's probably set back maybe a week on that. So, I don't think I'm going to trade the funded accounts anymore today because of that. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign up for a My Funded Futures 50K starter account, and we're going to go ahead and work on that. So let me go ahead and log in here. So the copier didn't really mess up. So what happened was, as soon as I hit the button to enter the trade, my entire system crashed. So I couldn't put a take profit in because I entered the trades with no brackets. You know, maybe that's a thing there to kind of learn from. I entered the trades with no brackets, and you know, hey, so there was no stop, there was no TP. So maybe that's something to learn from. Maybe I at least need to have some sort of emergency bracket on just in case, you know, kind of something there. Maybe that's what we'll do. But yeah, annoyed. I mean, that's literally never happened. Never happened. Not one time ever. So, well, hopefully, I mean, like, you know, maybe we'll get lucky and they'll, you know, somehow come out and fix it. But hey, let's go, Tom Sabo. Made the payout with Bulenox. You the man. You would have to pay out a lot sooner if you'd listened to my call out in London. What's up, Dennis? I literally called out a play for you in London, Tom. I was like, this is A+, 100% gonna hit. And Tom was like, fuck off. He's like, I'm not pressing the button. So. All right, let me go ahead and I'm going to stop the copier. I mean, just in case here. Oh. This morning, Joaquin, not so much. Not so much. All right, let me get reconnected here. I bought that account. Let me see if it shows up. We'll switch over to that. I'm steaming, guys. If you know what steaming is in poker, I'm furious over here. Furious. All right, it's 2018. I'm not going to touch it for the rest of the day because I just feel like if I do, I'm going to do something stupid. So I'm going to switch over to this eval here. And we're going to just do it this way. And, you know, chances are we probably trade incredibly well on this eval. Or not. I guess one or the other, right? There's a bunch of levels down here. I know I don't need all that crap. I should have probably just taken this off and just remarked it out. I don't know, Wayne. I'm furious on the inside, though. I can tell you that. I am pissed. I am pissed. No, I didn't trade Joaquin. I used to, but I just woke up this morning and then, you know. You bought a banana tree? Let's go. I just woke up this morning and I don't know. I couldn't go back to sleep, and so I jumped in Tom's stream for a bit. Look at that Tom Sabo guarantee down there, still sitting down there. I just jumped in there. It might be easier just to delete all these. You know what? Let's just do that. Freaking, we don't need all that. Where is the delete button? Remove drawings. There we go. Now we'll make new drawings. How about that? The world is going on. Did my headphones die? No, they didn't. They're here. It's got some stuff marked out on the hourly there. Let's get back to our 1 minute. Yes, bouncing here. All right. Yes, bounced off the 46 there. That was the next level down per Mancini. Below that's the 40. I don't really feel like we're bullish until, I mean, I guess he said we reclaiming the 72, which we tapped. I mean, if you guys don't think Mancini's numbers are on, like, what he says is on point, let me just show you. Let me see. Let me show you guys. So this was his tweet this morning. 68.72 was resistance. We needed to reclaim. He said this morning we need to reclaim in order to move up. Otherwise, we move down. What we did this morning. I mean, just look at this. And I know it's just, you know, it's just analysis. But look at that. We tapped 72. I mean, a couple ticks over, and then just sold right back down. So typically what he says is kind of on point. They are still active now, typically. They would still be active. Put in a little OB there. Let me look. Oh, this is a bigger stop than I thought. I was considering a long there, but then I realized how big the stop is. Stop's kind of big here. Still bearish? Yeah, it could be. But like we always say, you know, I might try this now, guys. I think I'm going to try it. I'll probably just take it up to like 179 area, that next imbalance. Feels like I mean, like to me, it feels like we go here, but we want to see this candle close above my entry. $30 seconds still left here. I like the look of the momentum there. That's why I went ahead and took it, but it may not. It needs to close above my entry. If it doesn't close above my entry, then we may just kill it. Four seconds. All right, we're good. So valid trade now. Well, that's not a good sign. Come on. Let's go. Rip it up. I said up. I asked nicely. Relatively nicely. I'm going to give this only maybe 10 points of room here. I'm not going to give it the full 20 like I need to. And back above my wick, I'm going to go to break even here. So back above this wick, 58. All right, I'm killing it. Just killing it. Took a $200 loss there. I gave it a go. I don't know. That's why I'm not like, I don't love the 2-minute chart, but I guess the 1 minute never closed above either. Maybe I should have waited. I don't know. It's fine. Dun, 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 dun. What do we got? Initial balance sets in 8 minutes. 8 minutes until the initial balance sets. Yeah, I didn't want to give that the full 20 points. 1 minute didn't close above either. Technically, there's more than one gap. More than one gap in the 1 minute, but it didn't close above either there. So, do kind of have an OB right there, though. So down $200 on that eval there so far. So let's see what we get. Yeah, Joaquin, I mean, like, we chopped out of open. You can see right there, we just chop. Not really anything clean. So oh, 49,400 on your Buley. Let's go. $494 or 4,009. What's up, Robert? No event indicator that will plot the order blocks. I have no idea. I mean, I feel like we go higher here, but we still could, you know. You're down 600. Oh, okay, I got you. Well, not too bad. I mean, keep it small, you know. That's my thought process on what happened this morning is like, let's just keep things small. And you're going to sometimes have days like that where things, you know, where stuff happens beyond your control. There's nothing you can do about it. So we'll see. Yeah, you hate that, right? You hate that. Doo-doo. All right, let me see here. Boom. All right. Oh, you don't know at this point. What R's fine. I mean, until you get comfortable with maybe holding for the bigger R's. But as far as how I see order blocks, I don't really use them all that much, Frank, unless there's like an inversion and then it creates an order block. Like, like I wouldn't really show you, would it? Unless we did something like this. Say we have like an inversion, but then we pulled back, and then like right in here we created an order block. Well, if this leg, let's say the inversion was here, but the stop is bigger than you're comfortable with. Well, then once this order block forms inside an inversion, then you can just move your stop to here, and you can you don't have to use the close below. So that's kind of how I like to use them. It gives you a little more confidence once a order block is formed like above an inversion or either inside one, whatever. So it just gives you a little more confidence that the trade might work. That's all. TP just doesn't get hit. Oh, I got you. 48%, 14% break even, a 38% loss. Yeah, I mean, like, that's not bad, Treff. I mean, like, that's pretty solid. Kind of pushing out of this. Oh, shoot. Oh, what'd you say, Sudat? Yesterday you tried to open a take profit account. You made the payment, but the account activation failed. They promised to refund, but I haven't received it. That's weird, Sudat. I've never heard of that. Why would the account activation fail? Oh, man, I'm not even on the right chart, guys. I'm looking at the wrong freaking thing. What's wrong with me? You took the 1 minute. Did the 1 minute close? I guess that is a 1 minute. I didn't even notice that. Oh, it doesn't make you want to take inverse plays. Yeah, I mean, like, kind of get what you're saying there. Yeah, Norbin, kind of makes sense, right? Yeah, still kind of grinding lower here, back to the 60, 54s. Let's see here. See if we push back up here. I'd like to see it push through the 60 possibly. It is an inversion, Ross. There's a 30-second one here, but well, 30-second though is what we're looking at, not the 1 minute. So not really showing a whole lot of momentum, but let's see what happens. Push through 150, kind of left relative equal highs there. Susie, not really. No, it's not invalid, Ross. The 30-second just closed above. Stop to break even there. All right. Equal highs and lows, Ross. Pretty simple. Just means two candles that close at the same point, right? So if you have a candle here and then you have another candle right next to it, so you have another candle there, then that would be equal highs or lows. Those are generally decent targets, especially during the New York session. So dun 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 dun. Thanks, Matchski. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, that 2 minute failed. You see the 2 minute. This is where we entered on the 2 minute, but the 1 minute had never closed above anyway. If I was paying attention to the 1 minute, which normally what I would have used, maybe I don't enter this, but I don't know. Oh, you're from Serbia? Nice. Ripping up. Let's go, Trev. Nice job. Oh my goodness, guys! I don't know here. I might just end up calling it today. I probably need to walk away from my computer. I just feel it. I can just feel it. Just gonna cause more damage than I do any good. What about that orders pop up? Just depends. I try to. The orders pop up. Where was that at? Anybody know? I forgot. That thing still. Let's see here. Hold on. I think I'm about to rejoin here. What are you talking about? Like this? I don't know what you're talking about. Sell limit. I'm not sure what that is. Paolo Toribio, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You the man. You talking about like, I don't know what you, are you talking about? Oh, over my screen. Okay, I see it. Never mind. Why is that way over there? Where did that thing go? Yeah, I had that turned off. I don't know why it came back on. Gotta find it. Let's see if that does anything. Oh, it's still popping up. I don't remember how you took those. I took those off before. That might be it. I think I found it. Let me see. Oh, still not it. Let's go, Patel. Nice. I don't remember how to turn it off. Clarity, I'm feeling that way today. I'm feeling that way with you. It's not a good feeling. It's not a good feeling. I don't know why that. I don't know. I don't know why it's doing that. I have no idea. It's fine. You do better revenge trading? Let's go. I don't. I don't. I don't know. I got the confirmations. I got everything turned off. The warnings all turned off. But that stupid stuff still pops up for some reason. Someone told me how to turn it off one time, but I don't know. Don't know where it is. Okay, there's the notification thing. Okay, maybe this is how you do it. This must be how you do it. Now let's try it. Nope, still didn't do it. Yeah, still pushing here. All right, we got it now. We have it now, or it's kind of fixed there. It doesn't pop up. Perfect. Yeah, Zongchong. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you didn't notice, Bulenox did start the 90% off sale again. 90% off using the code MM. And then, wow. And then, My Funded Futures still has the $80 starter account sale. That's what we're trading now, starter account. $76 if you use the code MM as well. $76. What are we doing here? What are we doing? What time is it? 10:48. Still got this up over here. Let's pull this. Pull that up there. Let's go, Jintoki. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Let's go. We're one away from 4750. Yes, looking weak here. I want to see a little push back up, and I'll take a short. Watching the ES here. $10.50 here. I want a short here, but I really wanted to push back up to do it. So we'll wait and see what happens. See if we get a little push back up. I think you can only trade one contract on this, right? I need to remember that. Let's wait. Let's just wait. Let's see if we get a push back up. Then maybe we participate. Otherwise, we'll just stay out of it. Yes, pushing back up here. See if it retests the 52. Let's look for an initial balance low touch here. I want to see some expansion below 110 here. Stop goes in now. Oh, wait. Stupid. I did that again. Do you guys see that? Stop really should be. Come on. What's going on here? Trying to decide what I want to do here. Come on. It knows it wants it, but this price action's just trash. I don't know. It should go, I mean, like, it should make a new low here, but it should at least test the low. I think that it should have tested it already, though. Habibi, it's on the website. I don't recommend anything over the 50K because it's 148 on the 50K. So I don't recommend anything above the 50K. All right, I'm just going to take a few points there. I don't like how it's acting around. I don't like how it's reacting there. Yeah, it seems that way, Romaine, right? Not great, Ash. Not great. We've had issues. Had some issues. My system crashed earlier when my system crashed earlier as soon as I entered a trade and caused me to kind of go on tilt a little bit here. So no bueno. No bueno. No bueno. Yeah, it's one of those days. I'm probably going to walk away soon. Feel like I need to shut the computer down. Dun, 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 dun. I'm looking for it to go down. Oh, so it will let me enter too. Does the shock of the hour just take us through here? It's funny to enter the same spot you just exited. That might be a sign of... that might be a sign. Come on. Don't be dirty. I'm entering super low here. Kind of stupid, to be honest. What up, Hanson? Sent me a pic. All right. We'll take a look, Bobber. In a moment. Trying to hold this because I think the top of the hour takes us through the lows, but it could also spike us up. Who knows? Ninja Dale, I use Replicanto, but on Quantire, I just use the Quantire traded copier. Good morning, Ryder. Goodness. Oh, well. How much is the fee each month after 90? It's the same crypto. It's the same. So, like, if you pay $18 or whatever it is, it renews at $18 every month. Same price. Yeah, no worries. All right, I want to see just a red blood candle through the lows here at the top of the hour. That's what we want to see, but if we don't get it, we're going to put our stop in just in case. There's the top of the hour. We didn't really get it. That is top of the hour, isn't it? Yeah, it is. I'm going to go ahead and reduce risk. I want to give all the profits back here. Went back to our entry, and it was just a line in the sand. Just can't get through there, the 10s. Not too good today, Pawn. Not too good. We're doing tilt things today. Oh, you cannot pass it. Oh, goodness. Yeah. Can't make more than the 1,500 or whatever size account you're on. Can't make more than the 50%. It'll get you. Yes, just kind of grinding lower here. Nasdaq's trying to do the same thing. We had a much better entry up here than what we have now. We entered lower, which was kind of dumb, but we did it. Just going to keep following this down behind the next candle and see if we can eventually just go. below that swing down there, we kind of want it to just go. If it can. Yeah, clarity. I mean, like, the thing is, I think I should have been green today. I should be green, and I'm not, and that's the frustrating part. Like, you continue to hit the button after something that's out of your control happens, and then you just make it worse. So it's unfortunate. It is unfortunate. All right, stopped out there. It's very choppy, Murad. Oh. Yeah. Not a good day. Not a good day. It's so frustrating because I would have just been done. That's the thing about that. That trade that I was in, I would have been done. And then the second one that I was in, I would have just been done. And I continued to push the button. So, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and call it there, guys. I need to walk away. I got to clear my head. We can't continue. We continue to hit the button, we're going to have a massive blow up day, and we don't want that. So, if you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to support the channel, use the links down below, the coupon codes. We did manage to squeak out a $50 winner on this My Funded Futures account, trading on Tilt. But we'll be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.